Did he break your heart? But break doesn't just mean to break. Let's see what other meanings you can create with break. Listen and repeat after me. Break down. Break down. Meaning to stop working. Example: my car broke down on the way to work. My car broke down on the way to work. Break up. Break up. Meaning to end a relationship or separate into smaller parts. Example: they broke up after dating for 3 years. They broke up after dating for 3 years. Break into. Break into. Meaning to enter a building illegally or suddenly start doing something. Example: someone broke into our house last night. Someone broke into our house last night. Break out. Break out. Meaning to start suddenly. Example: a fire broke out in the kitchen. A fire broke out in the kitchen. Break through. Break through. Meaning to overcome a barrier or make an important discovery. Example: scientists have broken through in cancer research. Scientists have broken through in cancer research. Five done, 5 to go. Let's finish strong. Number 6. Break away. Break away. Meaning to separate from a group or escape. Example: one cyclist broke away from the rest of the race. One cyclist broke away from the rest of the race. Break off. Break off. Meaning to end or stop something suddenly. Example: they broke off the negotiations. They broke off the negotiations. Break in. Break in. Meaning to enter illegally or interrupt. Example: someone tried to break in through the back door. Someone tried to break in through the back door. Break even. Break even, meaning to have no profit or no loss. Example: the business just broke even. The business just broke even. And the last word, break out of. Break out of, meaning to escape from a place or situation. Example: the prisoner broke out of jail. The prisoner broke out of jail. Let's review the phrasal verbs and make ourselves ready for the quiz. Break down, break up, break into, break out, break through, break away, break off, break in, break even, break out of. Now it's time to test your knowledge. I'll ask you 10 multiple choice questions based on the break phrasal verbs you just learned. Try to choose the correct answer before it's revealed. I hope this lesson made break phrasal verbs easier to understand and use. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more practical English lessons. New videos are uploaded regularly to help you build your vocabulary and speak English with confidence.